Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Google account on your PC. Right, so to create a Google account you need to just create your Gmail. To do this, you have to just visit to Gmail. So just go to Google and search for Gmail, and here you will get this option of Gmail and click on sign in. Now you will be redirected here. Now it will ask you to sign in, but here we want to just create an account. So we'll just go and click on create account. Now once you click on create account, you will get this three options for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. So all the processes exactly same, but you have to choose. So I will just go for my personal use. Now here it will ask my name. And once I do this, I will just go to the next. Now here it will ask my date of birth. Now once you have selected your gender, now it will ask your username, and make sure your username should be unique. And before making your username, just be sure that you want this username, because once you have made your username, you will not able to change in this whole life, right? So here I will just write here, let's say write anilgmail@gmail.com, and once I click on the next, automatically it will show me whether it's available or not. So I will just make it unique. To make it unique, I will add here some numbers. Still it's not unique, so I will just go and click on next. As you can see here, the username isn't allowed because I have used a word called Gmail. So here I will just write this and just go and click on next. Now it's available. Now it will ask my passwords. I have to create my password here. Now let me just create my password. Now once you have created your password, just go and click on next. Now here it will ask your phone number, and by the way, without using your phone number, you will not able to create an account. So here you have to enter your phone number. Make sure you select your correct country here, and then just go and click on next. And once you have confirmed you are not a robot here, right, then once you have added your phone number, automatically your account will be turned. Now how it will look once you have made your account. So as you can see here, this is my Gmail access, and here you can just go and click on manage my Google account here, and everything will be shown here, right? So this is how you can just make your Google account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.